So today's mission is this Rev9 exhaust. I'm having clearance issues right where the bend, or right where the curve to the axle back's at. And I think that's due to my k24 block, because I had the same issue with the header where it hits the firewall. So right now I'm gonna just jack it up and give it a little bit of a finesse. And that should take care of that problem.
How many miles?
So here we go. Car's jacked up. Oh shit. Alright, so here's the contact point. So here it is. The mid pipe is removed. And now we got access to where it's contacting the body. It might just be a little bit of Alright, so here you go. If you're gonna make clearance for an 8th gen, 3-inch exhaust, Rev9 catback, the k24 bottom end. Even before the whole swap, I still had clearance issues. 3-inch exhaust, burned the shit out of this tray. But the Rev9 actually is pretty dead on fitment. But of course that canister took a shit. Hit it with this shit. It's a Rust-Oleum, high heat. I just had this on the shelf. It doesn't have to be this exact thing, but I thought high heat, just to cover up all this raw metal. You can get some rust. That's gonna turn into a disaster, and your car's gonna fall apart. And oh my, just fucking hitting some kind of pain. All right, moment of truth. Yes, I am wearing gloves on top of my dirty hands. I don't want to get my steering wheel dirty. That this fucking exhaust canister is trash. And there, stop. I think we fixed it. Fixed it. Well, I fixed it. You guys didn't do shit. Oh hell yeah! It feels like a different car. The vibration is somewhat gone as well. I was thinking it was a motor mount this whole time, but it was a stupid ass exhaust. Oh hell yeah, man! This is nice. So I finally picked up some center caps. They want to do this forever, but they're so expensive. Like I was looking for the cords. They're like 80 to 100 bucks for the 4. I was like, damn. These are, here's a part number. The 4473 2-S9A-A00. You just caught that. Let's see. Here's my OEM one.
I have the Navigator, but it's broken, but it kind of works. But I honestly like this one almost a little better.
It's the exact same part number. But in order to make these work, well, what I read about is that they don't sit flush. Well, first of all, I don't think they sit flush, but on this one it definitely doesn't sit flush. This is the axle nut. So what they recommend is to grind. Oh man, that's actually a half shaft you have to grind. I'm not gonna grind that shit. Yeah, I don't know. They're saying that to grind the axle nut, but I don't want to do that. It doesn't fit. but the back one fits, but it doesn't sit flush, and I don't like that. These fucking mosquitoes, man. Whoa, what the fuck? Nice. First time you let me down, buddy. That's actually been a good ratchet. Pittsburgh, Harbor Freight. Oh, what the fuck? It's because I'm doing this with one hand, I bet you. Trying to fucking film it, of course. Trying to capture the shot. Just a little. Oh, chill. Oh, fuck. Good one, genius. Whew. Let's see, let's give this a shot. Center cap. Where's the center cap? Where the hell did the center cap go? Oh. What the shit? Okay. Center cap? Anyone? Center cap? What the hell? Oh. Shit. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We have a win. Hey, we do. Sweet. That's it. That is it. Again, not too crazy about the fitment. I wish it would just be flush. But again, I'm gonna try out those knockout. Alright, what are they called? Knockout caps, I think that's, and maybe I have a better fitment. I decided to tackle this video. I googled it and I didn't see anybody with the 8th gen. The RPF1 center cap issue. I read threads, people talking about it. People have done it before, that's where I got it from, but not an actual video. Or I might be wrong, there is probably a video out there, but I didn't find it.